This is the battery-powered Nest Doorbell from Google, an intelligent doorbell with a built-in camera that lets you answer your door from anywhere. So let's say you're out, grabbing some groceries. Nest Doorbell's built-in intelligence will alert you if it spots a person, package, animal, or vehicle. It can even recognize familiar faces, so it'll tell you when your kids get home and show you a head-to-toe view of the surprise they brought.
Eleanor, is that a duck?
Yep, the doorbell has a built-in mic and speaker that let you chat with whoever's there from wherever you are. This wire-free doorbell also comes in 4 different colors and has a built-in rechargeable battery, which means it can be installed in any type of home and is easy to set up yourself. Or you can have it wired in like a regular doorbell and never have to charge it. It even lets you send a quick, pre-recorded response with a tap.
We'll be right there.
Now say a storm passes through and the power and Wi-Fi go out. All good. Nest Doorbell's battery lets it record even when the power's out and can store up to an hour of recorded events on its local memory. So once the Wi-Fi's back, you can see how your house handled the storm. Speaking of going back in time, Nest Doorbell's video history lets you rewatch events from up to the past 3 hours, so you can find out what happened to your bike. Wow, really? And if you want even more video history, sign up for Nest Aware in the Google Store. Starting at $6 a month, you'll get 30 days of event playback from your Nest Doorbell, and all your other Nest cams and displays too. Okay, let's say it's late, and you hear a noise outside.
Hey Google, show me the front door camera.
Now you can check in from bed and get a clear picture with night vision. I guess somebody found the dog door. Just tap in to say,
Edgar, stay. Good duck.
so yeah, keep an eye on your door from anywhere. That's the battery-powered Nest Doorbell from Google.